Welcome to Math Beyond Borders. Mathematics Simplified. Welcome geniuses. In today's video, let's learn how to calculate square of numbers that end in a 5. So for example, 15, 45 and 75. Okay, now as we know, square means the number multiplied by itself. So the square of 15 should be 15 times 15. Yeah, so that's the idea, and that's what we are going to calculate. Now pay attention, because this will make you an instant genius and you can really show off with your friends how smart you are. So let's have a look. So for example, what we will do is, now there are two numbers, 1 and 5. Now the square of 5 we all know is 5 times 5 is 25. Very good. And now this number, now what we will do is, this number is 1, we will go to the next number from this number, which will be a 2, and we will multiply these numbers. So 2 times 1 is 2. So that's your answer, right? Okay, let's take another example. So for example, here again there is a 5, so the square of 5 is 25. Now what is the next number after 4? It's a 5. What is 5 times 4? It's a 20. So when you will multiply it, the answer you should get is 2025. Easy, right? So now why don't you pause the video and try 75 yourself? Okay, so I'm sure you got the answer, but let's try it together. So the square of 5 will be 25. The next number from 7 is an 8, and 8 times 7 is 56. So that's the answer. Easy, right?
Thank you for learning with us. Please share the video with those who you think may need it. Also, if you want to request a topic, put that in the comments section. So until the next video, keep learning, keep questioning. Bye.